am Magdi, welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. Today I make crab salad my way. So long time I didn't make it, and I just very first I decide I will make a video, and this way you get idea for breakfast or snack. Okay, first I start with the mayo and then sour cream. And then I can add more of this if I didn't like the taste. Little black pepper. You can add the salt, but I don't add the salt until I taste it. I chopped 3 celery stalk, very small. But I don't give you the recipe, will be on the YouTube site. If you don't see it, just click on show more. Okay, I add green onions because I like it. I don't add to the other kind of onions because that's heavy taste. You know, I like onions, but not in this. And I chopped up like kalamata olives, and I put it in, and it's delicious. Basically, this is the trick, nothing else. As you can see, crab, and comes in a bigger piece stuck together. So I wash it when it's in together, and then I just tear it apart. I am just telling you, I show everything how I do it because you a beginner on my site. I wash my hand 3 times so I can touch it. Make sure I don't have a big piece in it. Okay? And after you washing, you tap it with the paper towel, get the water out of it. I already can see it's a little bit less. Then I can always use the different kind of spoon because you don't contaminate your food. Okay, sorry, I film myself, so sometimes I can't do the top video thing. And I have my own cooking terms, so just bear with me and try it. And I think you would like it. I would do this like 2-3 hours before I serve it. Make sure the flavors mingle together, and then it tastes much better. That was easy. It takes like 5-10 minutes to prep, to cut up everything. And you just put it in the fridge. Now after it's mingled together, I will give for my neighbors because they're waiting for this. Okay, it's delicious. The kalamata olive gives you a very good flavor, or at least to me. Okay, and I will show you how I serve it. That's how and how long. For next day, I always put it in a glass and save it. That's it, enough to show. So if you cannot find the recipe, then go on YouTube under the name of the product, and then you click on show more, and then you can find the recipe. If you have phone, and then you go on the top on the right side, they have a very little arrow. That's where you click, and then the recipe will come up. This is the finished crab salad with the kalamata olives and green onions, and it's delicious. I hope you try it.